show you how to use HDR toning in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on image, then we click on adjustments, and here we have HDR toning. And here we have these settings with which we can play around and create the effect we want to have with our image. Here we have the HDR curve, which we can manipulate like this. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.